There are several roles which AMISOM plays. Among them is aviation security. We provide security of the airport for the movement of the crew, the passengers, and their cargo.
Per month, we have around 41,000 bucks traveling, coming in and going out. All this is from UN flights, passenger flights, and AMISOM military movement. That is per month around 41,000.
Because of our unique integrated system with AMISOM, we've been able to support the federal government of Somalia civil aviation authorities by providing airport fire and rescue services, air traffic control services, aviation security service, all to ICAO standards. Well, the way we do it is basically, like I said, this soldiers in working in partnership with the federal government of Somalia civil aviation authorities and the UN, UNSOA, we're able to develop processes and standard operating procedures that allows for civilian aircraft to safely operate in and out of Mogadishu airport and other airports around Somalia. We do have a lot of structure in place. We ensure that our coastlines are safe for our aircraft to land as much as we can. We ensure that our airports and our terminal areas are safe and secure for the passengers to come in and feel comfortable and safe when they travel. And we definitely ensure that the airspace is managed to the best of our capabilities.
We have other departments like meteorology. We provide weather forecast to the pilots when they are going to fly. We have the operations office, which briefs and debriefs the crew. When they are going, they are informed of the situation of where they are going. And then when they come back, they debrief so that whenever there is a flight going to take place, they have to be briefed.
Which one is flying at the moment? Even if an aircraft is flying, we're able to tell its altitude, its speed, the direction it's taking.
We also have another department of air traffic control, but it is for the right now we are calling it flight following. We make sure any aircraft which takes off from here is monitored up to where it is going, and even when it is coming.
One that we, so it's
Oh, the big plane.
the big plane, yeah, so it's in the train, which gets to Mogadishu. Okay, and then we would. With the toilet information,
We're a lot more busier, a lot of more operations going on, both passenger and cargo, special flights. The future of Somalia is bright if we continue to share the common goal between the federal government, the civil aviation authorities, and the UN. I strongly believe that Somalia will be a force to reckon with in the next 5 years.
There is a big plan. When the security improves and the country becomes stable, there will be a lot of investment in aviation. Airports will be improved, new airports will be constructed, and when investment arrives, there will be wide projects that is going to be carried out, and that will be needing aviation services.
The future is bright. I see a lot of business around, many flights. They have so many flights conducted every day. If the situation improves more and more, I think they will have a very big source of income through aviation.